Hello everyone, my name is Eurjpy and this is my channel where I document my journey in Forex. So today I'm going to analyze Eurjpy. This is my market breakdown. So as you know, this is the way I analyze the market. Whenever I'm analyzing, I start first by marking my resistance and support levels. Always I start by marking my support and resistance level. Woohoo! They say you're trading support and resistance. You're not gonna be successful. Who? Come on, come on. So yeah, and then the next thing I'm gonna do is just like go to mark this lowest point. Right. The first what I'm gonna do is now just draw my trend line. The price is moving to the upper side. All right. Okay, the price is moving to the upper side. Broke below the trend line, okay, telling us from this point, which means from this resistance to this, the price is on a downtrend. Okay, the price is on a downtrend. So now I'm done with this trend line. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to start analyzing and working my way to the lower time frame where I execute my positions. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna do now. I've drawn my trend line. What I'm going to do, I'm gonna make sure that it appears on the daily time frame, also on the 4 hour time frame, not on the 1 hour time frame. So yeah, don't care about the lines, but they appear or they do not appear. So now I have the channel just like that. So what the next thing I'm going to do? Okay, next thing I'm going to do, I'm gonna adjust my line here, and I'm going to mark this level. There is a reason why I'm just continue marking with this level. There's a reason why I am marked this level. The reason is the price was moving. As the price was moving to the downside, we had this support and price rejection from this area, move to the upper side, and the price was coming back to this level. Was expecting the price to reject from this level and move back to the upper side, giving us a double bottom here, but it didn't give us a clean double bottom, but it gave us a double bottom because the price on the way broke up below this trend line. I mean below this support level. It was corrective in nature and gave us this wedge pattern. This wedge pattern. Now you see a combination of resistance and trend line structure, you know. So it's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You can see. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to analyze like within this descending structure, and I'm gonna make sure this my trend line appear on daily time frame, they appear on 4 hours and 1 hour. Why I'm doing this? I'm doing this because it makes my charts clean, you know. It makes my charts clean, and I like working on an R chart, right? On a clean chart. No, I like it. I like the clean charts. I like the clean charts because I don't want a chart that is so messed up that I too got confused when I come back to look at my analysis. You know, I just want to see my chart clean. I know. So yeah, just want to make sure these lines also appear. Yeah. On a low time frame. Daily. Okay, let it appear on daily too. Okay. Now we're on a 1 hour time frame. While I'm working my way to the downside, first of all, when I'm on the daily time frame, I'm analyzing the time frame just to see the overall direction of the markets. then working my way to the down to the lower time frame, so I can see where is the price at currently and what is the price action saying to me. All right. So now, as you can see, the price moved to the downside, gave us this watch pattern, which was a reversal. The price moved to the upper side and started correcting before, at this level before it break above, and when it did break above this line. So that's telling me that now the price is going to continue moving to the upper side. It's going to continue moving bullish. It's going to continue going bullish. So because the price is broken above my channel, above my trend line, what I'm expecting to take only long position. All right. So as you can see, guys, I'm just looking for an opportunity now to capitalize on in this market. So second thing I'm going to do, I'm going to mark this level here because we have only this point. Another thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a trend line just like that, connecting my resistance levels. So now, what is I'm expecting to see happening in the market? Looking at the price action just from this area, what I'm going to do first, let me just analyze. Now, it's not about what you think, it's about what you see in the market. Just beautiful like that. So if the price decides to break below, yeah, I'm expecting this for now. I'm expecting the price to break along to the downside, just like that. Then from if the price does this at this level, I'll be taking my buy opportunity. As you know, the price has broken above these 4 hours, that's 4 hours trend line. So I'm expecting only to see price moving to the outside to the upper side. So I'll be waiting for buying opportunities to capitalize on buying opportunities because there's a higher probability of having wins when I'm going long. So this is what I'm expecting to see happening in the market. I'm going to see price dropping, giving us the double bottom here, and then from this level, and so I'll be expecting to see price moving to the upper side just like that. And when the price reaches this level and break above this trend line, then I just drew. Okay, where's my TP? Because maybe you may be wondering, where's my first TP? My first TP is around that area, is at this level of resistance. So at that resistance level. So next thing I'll do when the price breaks above this level, I'll execute another position, which will be a scaling position, which is to maximize my potential payout, which is my profit, right? So I will scale in my position if the price breaks above, just like that. Another scenario that I'm expecting to see happening in the market, if this this I just forecasted doesn't occur, is when I see a price moving to the downside just like that, and just from this level and start to pull back, moving just to continue moving to the push back to the upper side. No, pushing back to the upper side, and if the price gave me this such pattern and breaks above at this level, I won't be taking a trade at this level, but I'll be taking only a trade after a breakout. But if the price move put back all the way to the downside to this level, I'll be expecting to execute a risk entry at the double bottom. And if the price doesn't do that, give me this kind of scenario, and at the break of this pattern, I'll be taking my long position. At the break, I'll be executing my long position with my stop around this level or below the low. It's like 50 pips stop and about 74 or 74, 75, just like that, 75 targets GP. So yeah, this is what I'm expecting to see happening in the market. And from this level, let me just extend this line and see whether is this zone or not. Because if we go back, as you can see, if we go as we go back here, we have this first touch here, second touch, third touch, fourth touch. So this area has been tested many times. This area has been tested many times. So this is our zone. That's why I'm targeting at these levels, because this level is a zone. So this is another reason for me to target at this level. This level is a zone. So let me just draw. First, using the other block method, the brown is going up to the upper side, the last candle to the upper side from its opening, and the highest point, the price retest touch. There's another block way of drawing that supply and extending my zone or my line, my box all the way to the back like this. And now we have an area that has been tested, that has been tested many times. So where I'm marking this level is because as the price is moving, is approaching that level, there's a high possibility of seeing the price rejecting from this area and dropping again to the downside, or just pulling back from that area after the retest, just like this, and then after continue moving to the upper side. And if the price doesn't do this also from this level, what I'm expecting to see happening in the market, I'm expecting to see the price breaking up above that level. And if the price does break above this level, what I'm expecting to see happening next is to see price coming back just to retest this level. And then if the price does that, I will be executing another position saying that we are going long just for this target. This will be my next target. That will be my next target. So here. So what does this mean? This means I'm expecting to see price moving all the way to the upper side. But what will determine for me whether is the price still going to the upper side or to that level is if the price is how the price is going to behave around this zone. If the price rejects and moves to the downside, then come back to breakout, then we're going for this zone. If once we break above this zone, then we're going for this second zone. So this is how I analyze, and this is my breakdown on Eurjpy. So if you like this content, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button so that you'll get a notification whenever I drop a video, and you hit the like button to help you with the article reading. So thank you so much for watching this video. So this is your boy signing out. We'll see you on the next video.